In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Airtable, Backup Guide 2026. Backups are a lifesaver, and Airtable makes it easy to export your data, so you can store a copy safely, share it with others, or move it into another tool. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, head over to airtable.com in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log in using your usual method. You can use email and password or a single sign-on option, and then you'll be taken straight to your workspace. After you log in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. This is your home base. You'll see your recent bases and any workspaces you have access to. If you have a lot of bases, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you need. Open the base you want to back up. You can click any existing base, or if you're just testing, you can create a new one from scratch. For today, we'll assume you've opened a base that already has records. Inside the base, you're looking at a table. Airtable organizes information into views, like grid, calendar, Kanban, and more. Exports work per view, so decide which view contains the exact slice of data you want to download. The grid view is the most common and exports nicely to a CSV file. Before exporting, check your view settings. Filters, sorts, and hidden fields matter, because only the records that match your filters and the fields that are visible in the view will be included in the CSV. If you need certain columns in your backup, unhide them first. This gives you precise control over what gets exported. Now, look at the view name in the top left of the table, usually labeled something like Grid View. Click the small drop-down arrow next to the view name to open the view options. From that menu, choose Download CSV. Airtable will generate the file for the current view, and your browser will start the download automatically. By default, it'll land in your Downloads folder unless you've set a custom location. A few quick tips to wrap up. The export captures only the table and view you're on, so repeat the download for other tables or views you want to back up. Attachments are included as URLs in the CSV, not as files. If you need the actual files, download them separately. If you're opening the CSV in Excel, make sure your regional delimiter settings are correct so columns appear properly. Finally, consider renaming the file with the base name and today's date, and store it somewhere secure. That's it. Your Airtable data is backed up as a clean CSV.